So now that you have your Pinterest account and you understand all the basic features that Pinterest has to offer, it's time to start creating boards so that you can pin all the great things that you're finding. Let's take a look at the Categories tab at the top of the page. For this example, I'm going to start looking at education. So I'm going to scroll over, click on education, and take a look at some of the most recent pins. Now I'm going to scroll through, and I'm probably going to spend a lot of time looking at all these great things. Build a 100 cup structure, elf on the shelf, wow, fairies in a jar, lots of cool things. Well, some of these things I might actually want to save to look at later, but I can't do that until I've created a board to put those pins inside of. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do right now. If you go to the very top of your page, you're going to see the Add button. Click on that. From here, you have three different options. You can add a pin, upload a pin, or create a board. These two options, add a pin and upload a pin, I'm going to show you later on, but for now we're just going to create a board. So click on that. Now from here it's pretty easy. All you have to do is enter in a couple pieces of information and your board is ready to be added to. So I'm going to say that right now I'm going to do holiday activities. So I gave my board the name of holiday activities. I'm going to select a category that I think it fits under, and I'm going to say education. We'll keep it broad. Now, Pinterest has added a couple new features. The secret feature, which is to create secret boards that nobody else can see but those that you allow. We're not going to worry about that right now, so we're going to keep that checked off. There's also an area where you can add friends that are allowed to pin onto your board, because as of right now you are the only person that's allowed to add anything into this board. So we're not going to worry about that either, but we will come back to those options. So for now we have a board title, we have the category that it fits in, and we know that we are the creator of the board. These two options leave blank. Now click create a board, and you are now inside your board page. Well, the first thing you're going to see is that there's nothing inside of here. And that's okay, because we haven't added anything. But if I were to go back to my education page and find something that I felt like fit into that board, I could add it. Now to check to see that your board is there, you could always go into your username, scroll over the top, click on boards, and it will show you all the boards that you have created. Now I've been using Pinterest for quite a while, so I have quite a good number of boards in here, but if I scroll to the bottom, I should see that new board that I created. So now anytime I come across holiday activities, I can now add it inside of that board. I hope that this helps, and I hope that you can continue making as many boards as possible. Just remember that you are allowed to do as many boards as you want. The options are endless, but try to keep yourself as organized as possible so that you can always refer back to all those great things that you found. See my next video on how to pin inside your board.